Hello guys. Okay, so today we're doing a basic shoe cleaning. So today we are featuring a basketball shoe, the Nike Quasi. So if you look at this, it's quite dirty. Here's the sole. Now for sneaker cleaning, at all times we need to avoid washing them over the washing machine or completely soaking them in water. And when you dry this up in the heat of the sun, the adhesives dry up and it causes separation from the sneaker, from the sole. So what we usually advise is to have some shoe cleaners. So what I'm using is the Clyde Premium, and I top it up with a Clyde Natural Odor Eliminator. So these are the basics. When you buy the Clyde kit, you also get the free brushes. So the soft brush is for the upper, and this brush is for the soles. This is hard. So two brushes, one for the upper, one for the soles. So we're gonna do basic shoe cleaning. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it properly. Okay, thumbs up. Okay, so before we get started, we're gonna need some water, so microfiber. Now I use two microfibers. I use one for the upper, one for the sole, just to avoid mixing the dirt all together. I have removed also the insole, very dirty insoles. Okay, so what we're gonna do, basically, the Clyde is a premium shoe cleaner. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put a little Clyde, soak the brush in water, put little Clyde on it, create a foam on the shoe, and wipe. That's all you need to do. Okay, so brush, wipe, foam, then wipe. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so we have done the upper. As you can see, it's quite clean already. Okay, now this shoe has a problem since it has paint splatters all over it. This one we could not get from basic shoe cleaning. We'll try to get this one removed later with a more delicate application. Okay, so this shoe is made out of soft material, upper material. You know, the shoe cleaner is very safe for all kinds of material, knits, this one, leather, so you could do this to almost all kinds of shoe, mostly sneakers. So right now we're gonna do the soles. As you can see, both soles are very dirty right now. Okay, let's do this. Okay guys, so we're done with the upper and the soles. It was very basic shoe cleaning. As you notice, we did not remove the laces. You know, it's really best advised to remove the laces to do a thorough cleaning. But for basic shoe cleaning, you know, with the Clyde, it's really up to you. But for this quick cleaning, I did not remove the laces. So for now, we're gonna do the insoles. So basic for the insoles, we're still gonna do the basic wash and wipe process. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this the insole has been cleaned. It was very tough to clean them. I had to use the hard sole, the hard brush to do it. Now, if it doesn't get cleaned the first time, you can do it 2 or 3 times just to make sure you get the best output. All right. We're gonna apply the shoe odor eliminator to keep those nasty smell out of your shoe. 1 or 2 sprays, couple of sprays. Okay, now we're done. Now you leave this air dried as much as possible. Don't soak this in the heat of the sun. Like I said, it will destroy the adhesive on the soles. So air dry, couple of hours, this will be good to go.